Tashi Delek.
Tashi Dele.
His Holiness, my question to you is the way in which human beings are exploiting the planet, do you think the earth will come to an end? And if it does, what will happen to all the souls?
I think present way of life, only material profit like that, and maximum exploitation, nature resources, and without taking care about environment. I think there is real danger. So we also have the we have right to use nature resources. At the same time, for our own long-term selfish reason, we also have the responsibility to protect the environment. It is quite sad. American president is to withdraw from Paris Accord. It's quite sad. America, leading nation of free world, should take serious responsibility about well-being of future world. So he don't care about environment problem. So if present are short-sighted and only think about money, material value, not thinking more holistic, more long run, there is, I think, some danger. So, and then meantime, human population also increasing, and our lifestyle also now changing. I think that also, very necessary. Now there's a huge gap, rich and poor, not only global level, but also national level. Now, for example, India, there's quite serious gap, rich and poor. When we're passing through Delhi or these, there are some street children, poor. Really very sad. And then China, socialist country. Now, since Deng Xiaoping sort of changed the market-oriented economy, these things. So now huge gap, China, rich and poor, huge gap. And America, they was the most materially highly developed nation, but there is gap, rich and poor. So these poor people, their living standard must improve. But then, the nature resources, including water, crisis, I think eventually may increase. So we have to think more holistic way and long-sighted. That's very important. Next question.
Thank you, sir.
Coming on next is S. Vijayanti.
Tashi Delek, sir.
Tashi Delek.
Sir, I'm really keen to...
You speak more Tibetan. Besides Tashi Delek, few other Tibetan? No. Only one. Tashi Delek, Tashi Delek. Like my Hindi. I spent now here the 58 years now. My Hindi very poor. Thora. I only know kana. Garam pani, tangram pani. Sometimes I feel shame. By broken English, since I think 1947, I start to learn. But still my English, no proper grammar like that. But this broken English, quite useful.
Sir, I'm really keen to know that till now, all the Dalai Lamas have been men. Is it just a coincidence, or can a woman also become a Dalai Lama?
In Tibetan tradition, some high Lama, reincarnated Lama, actually female, is not well known outside. But some high female reincarnated Lama, I think over now 700 years, quite old. So it is quite sort of familiar. Then after all, Buddha give us equal right, bhikshu, bhikshuni, equal. And then also, as far as sort of study is concerned, traditionally in Tibet, nunnery not pay the study serious. So 40 years ago, I think more than 40 years ago, I appeal. Now nuns also should carry serious study as this big monastery carry. So they start. Now, last year, about 20 nuns become top scholar. So I give them Karsatimini, Kishima, degree, like that. So basically, is Buddha give us equal right. So therefore, I think many years ago, one occasion in Paris, one was the female magazine, a women's magazine. I think editor or some of their sort of writer asked me this question, whether female Dalai Lama can possible or not. Then I immediately mentioned, yes, why not? If the circumstances is such, female Dalai Lama more useful, then naturally female Dalai Lama come. Then I add, if female Dalai Lama come, it's a more attractive female, should automatically come. If you say Dalai Lama, like, then you see, people do not want to see that female Dalai Lama's face. So sometimes I teasing some of my sort of friend, good scholar and good practitioner, but always look very serious. So I teasing that person. If Dalai Lama, if me carry your sort of more serious face, I think I will find less friends. I always smile, joking, completely informal way. So I found a lot of friends, isn't it? Do you prefer remain like this or remain like that? Naturally, you see, I think goodness of human being is our smile. Some monkey may have ability to show smile. Otherwise, most animal, like dog, they are sort of the best way express their friendship is their nail, tail, do like that, and then close the licking. That's the only way. We human being, you see, we have this smile. Very good, very good. So one occasion in 1950s, of course 56, I came India, Buddha Jayanti celebration. And then the committee which organized International Buddhist Conference, you see, the chairman of that, Radha Krishna, Vice President Radha Krishna. So we become very close friend. So I think the 59, some occasion, you see, we both looking one pictorial book. So in the book, in the picture, everybody is smiling. So then Radha Krishna is expressed. Now everybody trying to appetize our teeth. Like that. So I do smile. Very good. So sometimes you see, this, including some police, particularly when they with uniform and the gun, a salute, or when I passing through, there is some smiling when I smile. Then they also smile because return way. And then some police with uniform more serious. Then I usually should do this. Because I mean, tickle. And then they smiling. So I love smile. It's much better, much better. Therefore, I totally dislike too much formality. No use formality. When we born, no formality. When we die, no formality. And between there, I had too much formality. No good, no good. And basically we are same human being. Next question.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.